can your phone do this? No, didn't think so. This is the TCL 50 Pro NXTPAPER 5G, and it has a secret magic display. Now, I got hands-on with this at IFA last month, but since then, TCL sent one over to me to sponsor a more detailed kind of first look video for you, and after actually spending time with it, it has led me to believe, while 100% it won't be for everyone, for some of you this might be exactly what you're looking for. But what actually does the 50 Pro NXTPAPER do? Well, on first viewing, you will be excused for thinking it's just a normal run-of-the-mill Android phone. 6.8-inch, 120Hz punch-hole camera cutout display, triple rear camera, more on that later, and either a 2D Basil fibre back cover in moon grey, like I have here, or a 2D glass fibre back cover in midnight blue, pale gold, or rosy purple. You also have a 5010 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging, up to 16GB of expanded RAM, 512GB of internal storage, and up to 2TB micro SD card support as well. It's all checking out. You have a face unlock, you have a fingerprint scanner on the power button underneath the volume rocker, but oh what? Wait, what is that lies beneath the power button? Well, this is the key selling point. If you move this slider here, ta-da! So let's fully explain what's going on here. When compared to a more standard smartphone display, you will instantly notice the glare coming off the other phone and not on the 50 Pro NXTPAPER. But why is this? Well, here we have what's known as TCL's full colour electronic paper display, which in layman's terms is an LCD display with a really cool nifty trick where it can turn into an e-ink style one with a flick of a switch. It has this really cool matte finish to it, and it doesn't feel laggy like you may have possibly experienced on similar kind of maybe Kindle devices, for example. The TCL 50 Pro NXTPAPER 5G is equipped with the latest version of NXTPAPER 3.0 technology. It not only replicates the tactile and visual comfort of actual paper, but also provides adaptability under various lighting conditions, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Now, one issue I usually find with matte displays is that they tend to look pretty dull, but with the 50 Pro NXTPAPER it can reach up to 650 nits, which is not a £1,000+ flagship phone in terms of brightness, but it's still viewable outdoors. You also have an integrated eye care assistant which promotes healthy viewing habits, providing reminders for regular breaks and healthy posture, and which I really need actually because my posture is atrocious. Anyway, and there's also a night light mode which automatically sends a reminder to switch to a gentle, soothing glow in low light conditions. It helps reduce eye strain and makes it ideal for nighttime reading or viewing videos without disrupting your sleeping patterns. Flicking the switch gives you 3 options originally, and you can set one as a default so it transitions straight away in the future. And those options are colour paper mode for a colour ink display, ink paper mode for a black and white ink display, and a max ink mode, which states e-reader-like with longer battery life and limited app functionality. Now, don't panic, that doesn't mean your apps will stop working. It simply means if you're someone like me who finds it really hard to switch off from social media and notifications, this is ideal. This mode will close all of your apps and you will only receive notifications from those apps that you choose to add to your list, ensuring a distraction-free environment to fully immerse yourself in a good old novel, for example, an amazing way to disconnect. It minimises eye strain during extended reading sessions, offering a paper-like reading experience, and supports up to 7 days of reading and 26 days on standby when the device is used exclusively in that max ink mode. But it's not just visual display tricks though. The 50 Pro NXTPAPER also has some useful AI features, the trigger word of 2024. Using the power of Microsoft's Azure cloud-based AI technologies, including language models and automatic speech recognition, you can use the text assistant, which, amongst other things, can convert text between 48 languages and condense lengthy documents into concise summaries. And there is this really useful voice memo, which uses AI to give you automatic recording, transcription, and summarization. Pop it down on a desk and get on with your meeting or lecture, for example, and let the 50 Pro NXTPAPER 5G work its magic. You can also have this nifty flip case, which doubles as a stand for easy viewing and, importantly, comes with this T-pen inside, which allows for precise and smooth interaction with that NXTPAPER display. Not sure what that is. And in terms of audio, the dual speakers are enhanced with 3D boom sound powered by DTS, and they sound pretty decent again for the price, but what is that price? Well, currently these are going on sale for around £280 at the time of recording. This phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300, which it does offer a decent balance between performance and power consumption. And then there's also the camera. You have a 108 megapixel main sensor here, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide and a 2 megapixel macro. It definitely could be improved, but then again, you would be looking at more of a £700, £800, £900 phone, 280. The video also tops out at 1080p and not 4K. But there are some pretty nifty features like AI color video, which turns the background black and white to make your subject really pop, and horizon lock, which somehow keeps your horizon level no matter how much you rotate the actual phone. Really nifty feature. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's really cool. I'd like to see that on a lot of phones. On top of that, from the main lens, you can get some decent shots with lots of sharp details, and the front camera also has a surprisingly high 32 megapixel shooter, which can produce, again, some really nice detailed images. So, is this the perfect phone for you? Well, that's kind of subjective, as I'm sure you can see. As impressive and unique as the display technology is here, there are some of you that won't really find a use for it, and would prefer to maybe spend a little bit more on a more powerful chip or an upgraded camera, for example. But if you are someone that uses or wants to get into using e-ink tech, e-readers, likes to read a lot on holidays but doesn't want to carry loads of books and enjoys the idea of shutting off from the world and cares about your eyes, then this is a one-of-a-kind phone and might be the perfect NXTPAPER device in your arsenal of tech. And that pun was as seamless as the switch on the side of the new phone. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Follow my other social media for more short-form content on this phone and tech in general. My name's Adam. You've been the best as always. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. It's ASBYT. Peace out.